Oh, look.
What's going on?
There's the flag.
Oh, where's the flag?
Go away.
Is he not meant to be in there?
They're both, they're going to hit each other.
Oh, I don't know.
They're coming at each other.
Ah, that's alright.
But they're in the same place.
This is some crack now. Oh, they're way out round each other miles.
Yeah. Delusion, we're all right.
Oh. Any bets? You taking bets?
171.
Yo, the muir hill's turning. Lovely. Look at that for a plough.
Has to be 7 inches, and you've been penalised if it's not.
What's to start nearly up them?
What?
What's to start nearly up them?
Don't know, no, we're close. They're neck and neck. Oh no, yes. Well, oh, I don't know. No, look at the way out the end. We've been penalised for that. Dirty start. Oh, take the drop. That's what you tell you. I left her, but they'll get penalised if they're not 7 inches.
Some crack.
I think your dad knows because your dad's giving her Dixie.
Some crack, man. It's gonna be a broken pipe. Not a better rig anywhere. 1454 awesome. Is that him cleaning it in the last? Why is this not covering so well? That's the dough on the final pass in, aye. Oh, first close. No two ways about it. It was close. Third place.